Robert Morris from the Ports Authority says 30% of vessels now have to wait at the mouth of the Savannah River to come in on a high tide. He says deepening the harbor is key to the future.
When the Panama Canal reopens in 2014, the ships will grow in capacity to a point where they will no longer be able to call on the Port of Savannah. And it's very critical that we have these 6 additional feet of water.
For most, it's about economics. The port currently takes in about 2.6 million container units each year.
Morris says the deepening project would double the number of containers to 6.5 million a year and mean a lot more jobs.
The Army Corps of Engineers study does consider economic impacts, saying a dredging project could benefit the nation by about $100 million per year.
It's a draft report, and so it shows those different depths.
Colonel Jeffrey Hall from the Corps of Engineers encourages the public to view the study.
In the plan, what they're going to see that we have recommended 2 tentative plans. One is a 47-foot depth, and one is a maximum depth of 48 feet. And that's really what we're wanting them to look at, the impacts, and comment on.
And he says there will be a public meeting at the Civic Center on December 15th.
In which case we'll talk about the economics, we'll talk about the engineering, and we'll talk about the environmental concerns and what we're doing to offset those concerns.
The environmental concerns include impacting marshland at the Savannah National Wildlife Refuge. Now, the Corps says it will consider public input before issuing a final recommendation. After that, though, at least 3 other federal agencies, including the EPA, have to approve of this. Now, if you want to read the report, you can link to it at WSAV.com. Just use the keyword port. Joanne Merrigan, WSAV News 3.